Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Brandon here, as you all know. And it's September, and everybody knows what September means. It's new iPhone season. Apple last week launched 3 new iPhones, the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And most people would consider these like an incremental upgrade because they really didn't change a whole lot with the design. They didn't really change a whole lot spec wise. These are all pretty, by now we've seen this trend all the way from like the iPhone 6 to the iPhone 11 where they've maintained this same kind of body design. A lot hasn't changed. We just kind of added more cameras basically. So, but for me, I had an iPhone 8 and Verizon was making an offer I really couldn't refuse. If you switched to Verizon from another network, you got the iPhone, you got $250 off. And then if you traded in your old iPhone, they were giving up to $500. So I bit the bullet and I actually went and picked up a white iPhone 11 64 gigabyte with Verizon. This phone cost me $0, and I will make another video later explaining how that happens and how you need to learn to take advantage of offers like this. But I just wanted to do a little unboxing video for you guys. So on the outside here, it's just pretty standard Apple packaging. They have went back to using the different color boxes. If you bought an iPhone Pro, that came in a black box, whereas the iPhone, just the regular iPhones, came in the white boxes. So I think what we're going to do is I'm going to reposition the camera and we're going to unbox this thing for you. This is just going to be a short little quick video, but if you could do me a favor real quick and hit that like button, helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. I just want to talk about the specs real quick before we go diving into this. All of the phones Apple announced are running iOS 13. That's the latest version of iOS. Features new improvements with Siri, the design, night mode, dark mode for the UI, a whole slew of features. You can go watch Apple's press release if you want to see that. They're all running the new A13 Bionic chip, which is supposed to be the fastest chip in a smartphone to date, and there have been several reviews by independent testers that have confirmed that. They are also all using, I think all the 11s show the same amount of RAM, and then the iPhone 11 Pros have 6 gigabytes of RAM. They did upgrade the battery capacity on these just a little bit. They're advertising all-day battery life, which is great. And they've done a few things. They've added a new camera to the iPhone, the base iPhones, and the iPhone 11 Pros have the new triple camera system. They've added support for like super near field communication with Apple's new U1 chip that'll enable you to like airdrop files and photos to people standing like super close by. And yeah, I believe that is everything. So we're going to go on ahead and get into this and just see what's in the boxes. Like I said, this is going to be just a pretty standard iPhone unboxing. Everybody probably has unboxed an iPhone before at some point in their life. So this should be pretty simple and straightforward. Alright guys, so here we do. We have the iPhone 11, and as usual, there's just a little pull tab down here. So you pull that, and then you unwrap it. Just the standard, iPhone shrink wrap. So we'll just set that aside and we'll open up the lid. And as usual, there is our iPhone 11 right there. So you pull up on this little tab on the bottom to free the phone. Interestingly enough, the clear plastic is only on the front. The back does not have the clear plastic to protect it. I don't know why Apple did that, but that's just what they decided to do. So we can go on ahead and remove that and free the iPhone from its home. Now this phone is comparably thicker, first thing I noticed, than my iPhone 8. That is due to the increased battery. Apple has seemingly quit caring about device thinness and weight to promote battery life, and that's something I kinda am happy to see. I like a heavy phone. I don't like it to be overly heavy, but I like the device to have some weight to it, because to me that feels like it's a quality device. So here you can see the redesigned camera bump right there, and that's about it. So let's see what else we got in here. We'll just set that right over here. So as usual, we have typical designed by Apple in California, and the usual 2 Apple stickers that you get. And then the rest of this is pretty standard stuff. This is, unfortunately, Apple is still including the 5-watt power adapter in with the base model iPhones. No USB Type-C, 18-watt fast charging. A brick here, a pair of lightning earbuds, and then of course a lightning charging cable, and that's going to pretty much wrap that up. So there you have it, folks. There is your unboxing of the new iPhone 11. I'm going to get this setting up. I'm going to get started setting this thing up, and I'm going to use it, and I'm going to post a little review on it, like first impressions after a week or so. Just stay tuned to the channel for that. But overall, so far, just straight out the box, it's an iPhone. That's all I can say, basically. If you have anything, I would say, older than an iPhone 8, definitely going ahead and upgrade, because those devices are approaching the end of their life cycle. If you have anything older than an 8, unless you find a good deal on a trade-in like I did with Verizon, I would just stick with what you got, unless you just really need the dual cameras. But otherwise, it's an iPhone. That's basically all I can say. Thank you so much for watching this video. Drop a comment down below if you're going to pick one of these up. Let me know what you would like to see on the channel. I'm kind of going to be revamping my personal channel and talking about personal finance as a college student, some tech stuff, and so on and so forth there. So like I said before, if you could drop a like on this video, helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, helps let me know that you like what's going on and you want to see more of it. And we will try to get more stuff out to you. I appreciate you guys for watching. Subscribe to get notified whenever I upload more content. My name is Brandon, and I will see you guys in the next video.